Hello everyone, I am Professor Nanori Jeji from Department of Physics, Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya Aund. Today I am going to teach you magnetic properties of material, brief introduction of di, para and ferromagnetic materials from the topic magnetism. Introduction of diamagnetic materials, paramagnetic materials and ferromagnetic materials. We know matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of nuclei and electrons. The electrons in an atom move about the nucleus in a closed path and hence constitute electric current loops. Since a current loop has a magnetic dipole moment, each electron in an atom has magnetic dipole moment due to orbital motion of electron. Also, electron has a spin motion because of which it has spin magnetic moment. That means electron has orbital magnetic moment as well as spin magnetic moment due to orbital motion and due to the spin motion. The resultant magnetic moment is a vector sum of all such magnetic moments, that means orbital and spin magnetic moments. The magnetic moments of electrons of an atom have tendency to cancel in pairs. In number of atoms and ions, the resultant magnetic moment is zero. But in some cases, the resultant magnetic moment of an atom is not zero. Such an atom may be represented by a magnetic dipole having permanent magnetic moment. And therefore, depending upon the magnetic properties like susceptibility, materials have been divided into three types of materials or groups. One is diamagnetic material, second is paramagnetic material, and third one is ferromagnetic material. The first type of magnetic material is diamagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by magnetic field. That means when diamagnetic materials are placed in magnetic field, they are weakly repelled. The magnetic dipole moment of all the electrons in atoms of diamagnetic substances cancel each other and resultant magnetic dipole moment of the atom is zero. That means diamagnetic material has no magnetic moment. When an external magnetic field B, whose direction is normal to the plane of the orbit, is applied to the atom, the net magnetic dipole moment is not zero. That means when external magnetic field is applied, the magnetic moment is not zero, but it is negative for these materials. Thus, the resultant magnetic dipole moment is in the direction of applied magnetic field opposite to the applied magnetic field or external magnetic field. As a result, diamagnetic materials are repelled by applied magnetic field and set itself at right angles to the direction of the field when suspended freely in magnetic field. So this is called as diamagnetic material, which is weakly repelled by magnetic field. it has no magnetic dipole moment. The resultant dipole moment is 0, but when it is placed in external magnetic field, the resultant magnetic dipole moment is not 0, but it is opposite with the applied external magnetic field, and therefore that is repelled by the magnetic field, applied magnetic field. So this is the diamagnetic material. The properties of diamagnetic materials. Every atom of diamagnetic material has zero magnetic dipole moment. The diamagnetic materials are weakly repelled by magnet or magnetic field. Permeability of diamagnetic material is less than that of free space. That means mu is less than mu 0. The relative permeability K is equal to mu divided by mu 0 is less than 1. Susceptibility of magnetic materials, diamagnetic material, is negative. Therefore, chi is less than 0. In an external magnetic field, diamagnetic materials are weakly magnetized in the direction opposite to the magnetic field. Magnetic materials lose their magnetism on removal of external magnetic field. Diamagnetism is found in solid, liquid and gases. If a watch glass containing a small quantity of diamagnetic liquid is placed on two dissimilar magnetic poles, the liquid shows depression in the middle. If a diamagnetic gas is introduced between the pole pieces of the magnet, it spreads at right angles to the magnetic field. Some examples are silver, lead, silicon, nitrogen, sodium, chloride, bismuth, copper, antimony, gold, mercury, water, air, hydrogen are some of the examples of diamagnetic materials. So these are the properties of magnetic materials, diamagnetic materials. Brief introduction of dipara ferromagnetic materials. They are classified on the basis of susceptibility of magnetic materials. So today we are discussed the diamagnetic materials and its properties. I hope you are all these diamagnetic material and properties of magnetic materials are understand. If you have any query, you can comment on comment box. Thank you.